Hello friends, welcome to the channel Hozu Designs. Recently I joined Wipro and I did get the new joiner kit. So morning I had reached around 8:30 to go to the office in Bangalore. On the same day we had received joining kit, laptop bag and other things. Let's see what all they had given. It had ID card, a goodie box and a cotton bag. Actually the goodie box is being put up in this cotton bag and it had been given since I was traveling in a bike. So I had wrapped up everything in a single bag. Wireless mouse, Dell, HP charger. Sorry, it's in Lenovo. I asked my mom to open the box so that I felt good. The box had diary, a pen, and five set of cards, a normal water steel bottle. Finally, the mouse pad.